Hey guys, EBPMAN here. Now in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at one of the best sounding speakers that we have reviewed on the channel in a very long time that are compact and super versatile. If you'd like to have these speakers to support your PC, you could use it. If you'd like to use these speakers for your gaming console, you can use them. If you'd like it to support your TV or your ultra short throw projector, you can use them as well. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Acoustics M20 HD wireless system. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now, part of this review is going to include a EBPMAN style audio test, binaural audio test that's going to give you the ability to hear and experience what I heard when I was listening to music with these speakers. And here's the spoiler. Fantastic immersive bass. You have mids and highs. It's just a very rich experience when it comes to audio. That combined with all of the different abilities that you have to connect this with different devices makes this a fantastic system. Now, from a power perspective, you can expect two 65-watt speakers. You have a mid-range 125 millimeter drivers. You have the tweeter itself is 22 millimeter drivers. And then you have all these connectivity options that are going to give you a lot of the flexibility that I was referencing. Bluetooth 5.0, analog connectivity. You have HD optical. You also have USB. Now, from a codecs perspective, you can expect aptX, aptX HD, aptX low latency, SBC, and AAC. The speakers, you have one that's powered and one that's passive. Now, from a size perspective, while it looks big on screen right now, you're looking at about 11 inches high, 6.6 inches wide, and 11.6 inches deep. Those are approximate numbers, right? So these are going to fit well in a variety of settings. Now, one of the things that you can also do is stream content on these with very high quality. So you're looking at aptX HD Bluetooth capability streaming from Spotify, Tidal, Amazon, all these different services that are out there, as you can see here, that are going to give you the flexibility to really enjoy your audio experience.
When I shut my feelings out, you look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking.
So guys, that wraps up our review of the M20 HD wireless system. See you in the next one.